Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jess. If you are not, welcome back. Sorry if you can hear my dog squeaking her toy in the background. She just wants someone to play with her. But anyways, today's video is going to be my Nordstrom anniversary sale unboxing. Now the sale is going to end on August 4th, so you do have 4 more days, and then prices do go back to normal on the 5th. I am a Nordstrom card holder, so I was able to place mine on the early access between July 12th and the 18th. Now I purchased all of this on the Nordstrom app on July 18th, and I just got it in yesterday, July 30th. So it did take quite a bit of time to get everything in, and because I ordered it from the app, I got 3 different packages kind of coming from all over. One got here on the 29th and then 2 got here on the 30th. So just be mindful if you do order it on the app, it might come in all at different times. So first thing I picked up cosmetics wise or makeup wise was the Charlotte Tilbury The Pillow Talk collection, which is a $78 value that I paid $60 for, and it comes with the Lip Cheat in Pillow Talk, the Kissing Formula lipstick, and then the lip gloss. And I've swatched them here for you. You have the Pillow Talk Kissing lipstick here, the Lip Cheat in the center, and then the lip gloss on this far side here. Very good, like pinky neutral kind of color. I do have the Pillow Talk eyeshadow palette, but that is the only thing that I had in the Pillow Talk collection. So I'm really glad to have these in my possession, just because I just looked on the app and the website and it is sold out. So I believe that there was only a limited number of quantities in this. Next up in makeup, I got my hands on this super cute Dior lip set. Comes with 2 full-size lipsticks and then a mini deluxe lip maximizer. This set is a $93 value and I spent $70 on it. So really good deal on this one. Now you do only get 2 full-size lip products, like I said, and then 1 of the deluxe lip maximizers. But it also does come with this super cute Dior kind of makeup travel kit, and I love that it has a cross zipper because it opens up really nice and wide, and then it's got the Dior logo with a star in the middle. And then also the Christian Dior is on the star pull tag here. So it comes with 1 lip glow in the shade 001 Pink. I believe this is more of just kind of like a chapstick or lip balm, just because you can barely see it there, just a hint of pink. And then we get 1 full-size Dior Addict lacquer stick, and mine is in the shade 324 Bliss, and this is what the packaging looks like. It's this one right here. And then I went ahead and swatched the lip maximizer, but it's just a clear lip gloss here at the very top. Next up, I am super excited because this is the Pretty Rich Too Faced palette, and it comes with the Better Than Sex mascara as well as a rich and dazzling lip gloss. I'm super excited because I really wanted this palette and I just didn't want to pay full price for it. So I'm really glad that they had a set on sale. This is a $97 value and I got it for $49. So this was definitely a steal and I'm super excited about it. So this is what the palette looks like. I love the packaging. Now it is definitely pretty bulky, so it's not something that's easily traveled with, but I just love this. It's so cute. And then so it does come with a small mirror on top, and then that is what the shades look like. I'm sure you guys have seen this all over YouTube just because it definitely isn't a new product, but I am so excited to have my hands on this. I'm gonna do a few swatches here for you. These shades are stunning. I am so excited to play with this. Like, that is just a 1 swipe finger swatch. That is insane. And it also came with a full-size Better Than Sex mascara. As beloved as this mascara is, I have never tried it, but the packaging is super weighty and luxurious, so I'm really excited. And then also a full-size gloss. I can't believe that I got this for $49. And these are all full-size products. This shade of the dazzling lip gloss is in the shade Raising the Roof, and it is just a really pretty kind of peachy, goldy lip topper. Really, really nice. And it's pretty opaque as well. Look how beautiful this is. So this is what I bought next, and this is the Tom Ford Eyes and Mini Lip Set. This is a $126 value, and I paid $88, which, if you guys know, that one Tom Ford quad is $88. So the fact that it comes with a quad and these super cute, tiny lipsticks. How beautiful is that presentation? And then you have the Tom Ford logo here. So pretty. Now this quad is in the shade White Suede, and if it sounds familiar, it's because it came, it was a Neiman Marcus Tom Ford exclusive, and it came in the white packaging. God bless you, puppy. It did come in the white packaging, and it was a Neiman Marcus exclusive, I believe. Now the shades are slightly different, but just ever so slightly. So the fact that they named this one White Suede as well and made it a Nordstrom exclusive is it's a little bit odd, but I'm not mad at it because I missed out when they had it at Neiman Marcus. So I'm glad to have my hands on it, even though it is slightly different and it's just in the normal packaging. But I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them here for you. They feel amazing. And these are the shades here. And then these are the two minis that it comes with. They're super tiny and cute, perfect size to just throw in like a clutch or something like that for a night out. And the two shades you get are 66 Paper Doll and 64 Auto Erotic. So this pink color at the bottom here is Paper Doll, and then the top one here is Auto Erotic, which I feel like I would definitely get more use out of this top shade here. And then since we are on the topic of Tom Ford, Nordstrom did throw in a free sample or a deluxe size of the Tom Ford in number 03 Casablanca, which I believe is a very popular shade of his, and that is it swatched there. So that is all I got from cosmetics. Next up, I will move on to clothing just because I only got one clothing item. I got this cardigan here. It is the Caslon Drape Collar Knit Blazer, and I did get it in a petite extra small. I paid $38.90 for it, and it's originally $60. This is what it looks like on, just a super cute kind of casual blazer. I like the fact that it kind of lays flat, which is nice, or you can kind of have it open. Either way, it's super casual and cute, perfect for the office. So I really like it, and it just does have really long sleeves, which I love. And this particular blazer comes in 5 different colors. Moving on to shoes, I bought myself a pair of Sorel boots. These boots are really good quality, and these are waterproof boots. So I do work behind a bar, and right now I wear Converse, which is probably not smart at all, but it gets kind of wet back there, especially at the end of the night when we are cleaning. We wipe the floors with water and bleach and stuff like that. So waterproof boots I feel was an investment, which I really needed to make. And these I bought in a size 5.5, and they are originally $190, and I bought them for $125. So really good deal. And this is what they look like. Aren't they beautiful? I am obsessed with boots. I can never have too many pairs of boots. Combat boots, high-heeled boots, any kind of boot. If it's a boot, I want it. I have to have it. So these are really nice, and I do like the heel height as well. The only thing I will say about these is that there is no zipper, so you do have to lace and unlace them, which isn't too big of a deal for me, but since they are a little bit shorter, that's fine. So these are what the boots look like on. They are super cute and comfy. Now these are 5.5, and typically I wear 5.5, but they do feel a bit tight, and I am not wearing socks. So I might exchange these for a size 6 if they are available. The fact that they don't have a zipper doesn't bother me as much as I thought it would, and I am loving this. Super, super cute. And then last but not least, I bought a pair of Ted Baker London heels. These are for my aunt because her son is getting married. My cousin is getting married in September, and this was the perfect heel for the outfit that she is wearing. the beautiful, beautiful Ted Baker London heels with a super cute bow detail on the back. It's a nice strappy heel, and then the inside, a really beautiful floral detail there, and these are also in a size 5.5. And the heel height is a nice heel height, so not too high, not too low. Just beautiful heel. And then as far as like freebies go, Nordstrom likes to give out little samples as well as like little gifts. So I got a Too Faced little gift, super cute. And it is a resealable bag, which is super cute. And then I got a sample of the Damn Girl mascara and the Too Faced Shadow Insurance 24-hour eyeshadow primer. I believe I've tried this before, but I don't remember my thoughts on it, and I'm super happy to have this just because, I mean, Better Than Sex is a very popular mascara, and I've heard really good things about this as well. And then the samples that they gave are the MAC Lip Tensities and the MAC lipsticks. I am not a fan of this. I'm not going to like take it out of the pot and use my fingers, so probably just going to trash these, to be honest. Nice shades, but just probably something I'll never use. And that is all that I purchased from the Nordstrom anniversary sale. It was a really small haul, but there wasn't really a lot that I wanted. There are a few things that I wish that I would have gotten, but not too many. So if I do order more, I will definitely link those down below as well, or do another video if it is a big enough haul. But thank you so much for tuning in, and until next time. Bye guys.